Europe to be, criminalizing seed and diversity, which ends up criminalizing food. I'm eating these greens, and I love it because we are a land of greens in India. But today the greens have disappeared because in industrial agriculture you spray herbicides. So there are no greens in the field. Then you have iron deficiency, vitamin A deficiency. Then they want to do a genetically engineered banana, a golden rice, which is 7,000% less efficient than the greens if they were allowed to flourish. So the seed exchange here and the seed gift here is also a gift of healthy food and diverse food. You can't have diversity on your plate if you don't have diversity in your field. And the reason this food is so delicious, it's come right from the field, it's come right out of farmers' fields. There is no chemical, there is no false taste, and that's exactly what we are relishing. The purity and lusciousness of the taste that real seed gives you. You know, whether it's the seed of the beet or the seed of the soya or the seed of the wheat that makes this, all of it. This is where real taste comes from. We have a food industry based on cheating. Created sugar, high fructose corn sugar. It can't cheat the body. So kids are getting cirrhosis of the liver. Everything is fake, down to the fertilizer and seed. Seed that does not renew is not seed. Seed means that which renews and reproduces. So the minute seed doesn't renew, it's not seed, it's something else.
And something else, all the people here who cook is volunteer. All the food, give it free, and so means give it with love.
Yeah.
So all the cycle, the product, the cultivate, the cooking is free with love. And here in Greece we say, when we give, we are more rich.